Hello everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix the installation stopped error on your Xbox console when trying to install Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Let's get started. Step 1. Install from My Games and Apps. From the home screen, go to My Games and Apps. Select Full Library on the left. Find Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and try reinstalling it from this menu. If this doesn't work, let's try a few more steps. Step 2. Perform a power cycle press and hold the power button on your Xbox until it shuts down completely. Unplug the power cable from your console and wait 10 to 15 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your Xbox. Try the installation again. Step 3. Clear the MAC address. Press the home button on your controller and go to Settings. Navigate to General, then Network Settings, then Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC address and choose Clear. Your console will prompt you to restart. Do so and then try reinstalling the game. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. Keep games and apps. Note: this won't delete your games or apps but will reset other settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Console Info. Choose Reset Console. Select Reset and keep My Games and Apps. Once the reset completes, attempt to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 6. One of these steps should help resolve the issue and get you back in the game. If this guide helped, please like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.